Hello students, welcome to iSmart Technology. My name is BAGDI. This video is about remove the white spaces without using replace function in Java. Okay students, so first of all you have to take the string, and this video is about remove the white spaces from the string without using the replace function. Okay, line number 1, import java.util.star class remove white spaces without replace. Here you can give any class name, but for the understanding I have used such kind of name. Public static void main string args. Main is a function which is executing a program. Now at line number 8, scanner in equal to new scanner system.in. Okay students, so scanner is a class, in is the object of scanner class, new is a keyword which are used to create any object of the particular class, and system.in means we have to create an object for input functionality. Now system.out.println, enter the string, then string str1 equal to in dot next line. So students, str1 is a one kind of string and in is the object of scanner class. Next line, so we can accept the data from the user. Now at line number 11, character array characters equal to str1 dot to character array. So students, string 1 we have to try to convert it into character form, means character array. Then line number 13, string buffer sb equal to new string buffer. So string buffer is used to store the string. Now for loop, int I equal to 0, I less than characters dot length I plus plus. Now students, we have to use the for loop which are starting from 0 to end of the string. Now I equal to 0, then we have to check the first character of the string. If characters I not equal to space logical and characters I is not equal to /t means tab. Okay students, if character I not equal to space or not equal and not equal to tab, so what we have to do, we have to append the character into sb means string buffer. You have to store the value in the string buffer. Okay, then I equal to 1, then second character we have to check, it is a space and /t, so you have to skip the if condition. If it is not space or /t, so you have to put one by one character into sb string buffer. In this way, at the end, system.out.println you have to print sb. So this is the string without space and tab. Let's we have to check the output. Suppose students, we have entered the string hi, hello, hi. Then here we can see that output is without space. I hope all of you understand this program. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.